Hello, I am from the Ministry of Health.
Yes, can I help you?
I have a sanitary order for you to receive and sign.
Am I obliged to sign this order?
Yes.
What happens if I don't sign this order?
Well, then we will have to inform other governmental agencies, such as the Ombudsman, and possibly immigration.
So, if I do not sign, you will not obligate me to sign.
No.
I have already signed a constructive notice that confirms my intentions regarding the vaccines.
I am here in response to that constructive notice. You have the right to consult with a lawyer, and you have 5 days to decide what to do and respond.
May I read your document?
Of course, it is for you.
Can I review it before signing it?
No problem, but I need you to sign it first.
Can I seek counsel, and then come back to you after?
Yes, but I need you to sign having received it first.
So I must agree with your document, before even seeking counsel.
You are not jeopardizing anything by simply signing the receipt of my document.
I will just read your document right here, then.
All right, and I will need your signature that now you received it.
Here in your document it says that I refuse to vaccinate my children. In my constructive notice, I specifically stated that I did not refuse to vaccinate.
Exactly. This is a matter of process over time. I don't know, maybe several years. The first part of my document is simply a recap of events. The important part is what is ordered in my document. The order says that you must show proof of vaccination of your children, and if no such proof exists, you must commence a vaccination schedule.
I really should seek counsel before signing anything.
Maybe because of your lack of completely understanding Spanish, and my own limited English, you were right when you claimed that the constructive notice says that you do not have a problem with, nor is opposed to vaccinating your children. However, in the balance of your notice you explain why you do not vaccinate. So, I will now take the opportunity to ask you whether you are in agreement with vaccinating your children.
The problem is about what is stated in your document, which is not true.
But it is just a list of past events.
And yet it is not true. If I sign my name on your document, I agree to these falsehoods as facts.
I have to explain. On my document are a list of previous events signed by ministry officials that were here at your house earlier this week. They assure that these are facts.
According to you, your document concerns events that took place over the last several years. How can officials that I met for the first time earlier this week attest to anything that happened before then?
According to the local health office, you have refused to vaccinate your children under age 15.
Who makes the claim that I refused?
The local health office.
The office is a legal artifice, a building. How can it make a claim?
The local health office personnel.
What are their names? Why are their names not on your document?
Well, also according to documents that you have provided the local health unit. Documents that your lawyer can review there. My document further states that you did not show your children's vaccination documents to the ministry officials who were at your house earlier this week. Is that correct?
Yes.
Now, you can take my document to counsel and come back to me or the ministry within 5 days. You can then claim that it is false or whatever you like.
I would like to review your document. If you could wait for me outside the gate, I will get back to you in 15 minutes with my answer.
I need to deliver this to you before you can consult with counsel. That is why this policeman is with me to witness your receipt of my document.
So you want me to sign having received your document and agree with the order before I consult with counsel. Yet I need to receive your document to take it to counsel before I can agree with the order. That is a conundrum.
I will explain how this works. This is a note of receipt. If you do not receive my document, no problem, I leave. I will then present it to the courts. They will then notify you, so you will receive the order anyway.
Can I seek counsel, and then get you the answer tomorrow?
No, because tomorrow is, no. Tomorrow is, we are not there. We only handle cases like this from Monday to Thursday.
How about Monday then?
No. Understand this. This is an act of delivering a document. I have to report whether it was delivered or not. If not, I take it to the court tomorrow.
Okay, will you give me 15 minutes to review your document and write an addendum to it?
No problem. I will give you 15 minutes.
Why will you take your document to the courts if I do not sign it? Is it because not receiving an order is a crime?
No, it would be because you did not receive it and the process will continue in the courts.
A process of what?
I could not say. The tribunal will decide what steps to take if that should be the case. This might involve other governmental agencies, such as the Ombudsman, perhaps immigration and others. But don't worry, this is just an act of notification. You will have 5 days to appeal, to comment, or to discuss the contents of my document.
All right. I will get back to you in 15 minutes.
15 minutes later.
Here you are. This is a copy of my addendum to your document that you would not let me have a copy of. I will read it to you. I conditionally accept receiving this document if I can first bring this to council and respond within a reasonable time of 3 days. My signature affirms that the Director of the Ministry of Health has performed his duty and presented his offer.
Look, there is no problem. Right here in my document it says that you can appeal, discuss and so on, if you need to.
Yes, however, this is my addendum to your document, and I will keep on reading it, for the benefit of your witnesses. The Director affirms that his document has been received. However, the offer, and the subject matter of the offer, require clarification of facts and law. As such, my signature only affirms receipt, but in no way do I affirm, agree with or contract to perform, upon the wishes of the Ministry, represented by the Director.
Don't worry.
No, I will not. But I will finish reading this addendum anyway. As such, my signature only affirms receipt but in no way do I affirm, agree with or contract to perform, upon the wishes of the Ministry, represented by the Director. My signature in no way contracts me to the Ministry, which the Director represents. If you would sign here, please.
Sure. Received at 2:40, June 30th, 2011. Dr. Cerdas. No problem.
Now I will sign yours. I sign here, right?
Yes, both papers.
Oh, but why do I have to sign 2 papers?
I will give you a copy of both the order document and the receipt of that document. You have to sign both.
So now you require that I receive your offer, and, as well agree with the facts on the order. Okay, well then I will underwrite my signature with these words, all rights reserved. Non-assumpsit contract. Without prejudice. And furthermore I will add, this signature is invalid without the addendum, noted JU-30-11, my constructive notice, and prior documentation present.
I cannot deliver this.
Why not?
You cannot alter my document. I did not alter yours.
I cannot agree to this order without protecting my signature.
Then we cannot do this. I am going to have to get my witnesses to attest to the fact that you did not want to sign this.
Actually, they are witnesses that I was ready to conditionally accept the receipt of your order upon examination with counsel. But now, you will not let me underwrite my signature, only accept the order as written, and attempt to refute it later.
You cannot alter this document.
Okay, but your witnesses still witnessed the fact that I was willing to receive your document with conditions.
Yes, that is right, but you cannot alter this document. And you are still notified.
If you do not leave me a copy of your document, how will I know what I am notified of? And if it is going to the prosecutor anyway, why did you need me to sign anything?